back to my channel. I'm Fabiola, if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos here on my channel. I also love to blog, and I would absolutely love it if you help support my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at FABIOLAGBEAUTY. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the video. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm. I am super excited. So I signed up a couple weeks ago and I just got it today. Today is August 31st. So I don't know if this is the August or September box. Either way, I'm very excited. I haven't ordered Boxycharm in over almost 2 years. It's been pretty long. I think it's been almost 2 years. And I stopped getting Boxycharm because I just had like way too much makeup and skincare, so I stopped, and then I'm like, I need to get back to this. So here is my Boxycharm. I haven't opened it. I'm pretty excited. I feel like it's my first time because it's been that long. So I just cut it open. Okay, let's see. So it says Boxycharm. And there is this right here. It says spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. It's pretty light, so I was like, I wonder what they did. I also wanted to mention also, by the way, so I did realize that these Boxycharms are much thinner than the original ones. They must have changed the packaging. But I remember when I used to get Boxycharm a couple years ago, the box was definitely thicker. This one is a little bit thinner, so let's see. So the first thing I see in here are, ooh, Morphe brushes. Okay, I'm loving this. So this is the 4-Eye brush collection, and I'm very excited. I actually needed some new brushes. So the Morphe brushes retail for $12. So this looks really nice. I'm very excited so far. I mean, if you love makeup, you can never have enough brushes. So the next thing I have here is this here, and it's from the brand Trestique Summer Glow and Go Mini Summer Essential Set. What are these? Oh, okay, so it's a mini highlight stick, mini blush stick, mini shadow crayon, and mini brow pencil. I've never heard of this brand before, but the colors look very promising. Ooh, these are pretty. They almost remind me of like a crayon box. These are definitely very pretty. I want to try this one. This one here is the blush stick. How do you open this? Okay, so it opens like this. It's almost like a little mini balm. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a very like nice muted pink, but it blends out pretty nice. It almost goes like a powder blush. So I'm quite excited with that. And there's also a highlight. Oh wow, this is so pigmented. The other one here is an eyeshadow. This is gorgeous. It's like a kind of like a bronzy color, but that's gonna look incredible in the lids. And then the last one is a brow one. Oh, this is awesome. It comes actually shaped perfectly so that you can do your brows. And this one here is, I don't know if I like it. It's very dry. I don't know if it's because it's like new, so I might have to like try it a little bit, but it's definitely very dry, so I don't know if I'll use that one. But overall, I really love these. And these here retail for $42. Again, they're from the brand Trestique Summer Glow and Go set. So the next thing I have here I am very excited about. It's a Glam Glow. Glam Glow is a very popular brand, especially at Sephora, and it's very pricey. So I am very excited. I love skincare. So let's see how much this one here retails for. This one here retails for $54. And it says it's a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega-rich cannabis sativa seed oil. Ooh, that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize the skin barrier against environmental assault. You Guys, this sounds amazing. I am very, very excited to try this out. You guys, this alone is $54. That is like double the price for the box. So the next thing I have here is from the brand Clarins, one of my favorite brands. And this is actually very funny because I actually have two products to show you from the brand Clarins that I will show you after I unbox everything. So this is so weird. But anyway, it's the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector number 04, and it's in the shade Velvet Raspberry. It says it's color matte, hold, blur effect, smoothing lips, ultra light and creamy texture, and extreme comfort. I love this shade. It's so pretty. It's definitely a color that I would wear in the fall. Ooh, that is beautiful. Look how pigmented this is. And this one here retails for $26. So the last thing I have in here is Big Fat Liner Kohl Marker Pen, and this one here retails for $25. So let's go ahead and open this to see what it looks like. Let's see the tip on this one. Oh, this is nice. It's definitely like very thick, but it does have like a very fine pointed line. Ooh, that is very pigmented. Can you guys see that? So those are all the awesome items that I got inside my Boxycharm. I am very excited that I signed up again. I definitely am going to continue getting it. And I also signed up for the Boxycharm Luxe, which is, I think, like a little bit more, but you also get more products. So I'm very excited for that one. I can't wait. So yeah, I did get a pretty good deal in this box. Like I said, it was only $25. And I probably got over $200 worth of product, so it's definitely worth it. So I also wanted to share with you two other products from the brand Clarins, and Clarins and Octoly sent these out to me. So the first thing I got is this one here. This one here is a lotion toner, but it's like an extra comfort lotion toner. So it's not like an original toner that normally would dry up your skin and that it contains alcohol. This one here is alcohol free. It has aloe vera, which is great for soothing your skin. And this here is fantastic if you have super dry or super sensitive skin. And I normally use toner every single day, twice a day. But when I tried this, I was like, oh my goodness, this is like the toner that my skin needs. It doesn't dry out my skin at all. It just feels like super comforting and it smells incredible. In the back here, it does say that it's an extra gentle lotion rich in plant extracts with softening and soothing properties, which comforts skin and revives its radiance. So the other product that I also got from Octoly and Clarins is this little lip stain lippy in the shade Violet Water. These here are fantastic. I have other shades, but this one here is so pretty. And what's great about their lippies is that you apply them on your lips and it's like a lip stain. It stays on the whole entire day. Let me give you guys a swatch, but these are like extra pigmented, as you can see here. And the moment they go on your lips, they kind of just like dry and they stay on for the longest time. You can eat, you can drink. And what I love about these is that, especially now that we have to wear the mask, sometimes my lipstick gets smudged and I take it off and then my lipstick is like all over the place. So with these here, you literally apply them and you don't have to worry about them getting smudged under the mask. So definitely do give these a try. They have many different shades. So that was it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment, and share. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
So quietly next to me, the silence souvenir, letting you go.